High-tech manufacturing and global export are not the first things you associate with the idyllic countryside between Kraichgau and Odenwald. Here in Lobbach, near Heidelberg, is the production site of the medical device manufacturer Manfred Sauer, one of the largest employers in the region. What started as an idea 40 years ago is now an ultra-modern company with over 350 employees.
I have been a paraplegic ever since a swimming accident in 1963. A visible sign of my paraplegia is the wheelchair I'm in. Not visible, and much less pleasant, is the urinary incontinence, the loss of bladder control. That was the reason for developing a system, initially for myself and then for others, that is odorless and reliable. That was the nucleus, the starting point for today's company. It began with self-adhesive urinary sheaths in different sizes for a variety of anatomical designs.
The self-adhesive P-Sure and B-Sure urinary sheaths have a unique buffer zone and is one of the core products at Manfred Sauer. It combines reliability and ease of use. To complete the sheath drainage system, we developed our own urine drainage bags.
The urine drainage bags on the market at that time were not adapted to the angled leg shape of the wheelchair user. They were also made of latex and could be reused for up to 6 months. But this meant that they no longer complied with hospital hygiene guidelines. So, at the request of healthcare professionals, we developed disposable leg bags, which were also adapted to the sitting posture of the wheelchair user.
The Manfred Sauer leg bags are available today in many different shapes and capacities, with many features and benefits for both wheelchair users and able-bodied individuals. The catheters were our third innovation. Manfred Sauer GmbH developed the IQ cath in the 1980s.
In the 1980s, urologists in spinal injury clinics moved more and more towards intermittent self-catheterization, ISC, which is now standard care for paraplegic patients. Our task was to develop a catheter that would allow smooth ISC for years, without damaging the urethra. We called it the IQ cath, IQ for intelligent, because it has a flexible round head that gently follows the urethra without causing any trauma.
The IQ cath is available in male, female and pediatric lengths and sizes. Manfred Sauer GmbH strives to be as independent as possible, which is why our product development department conduct numerous tests and clinical assessments and trials. We also develop, design and usually build the required machines to manufacture our products. All of this adds to the quality and safety of the products.
If you rely on a product and you still get wet, it's highly embarrassing. That's why we test each relevant part individually.
We take the term "Made in Germany" seriously and base our thoughts, actions and quality on it. We meet as many individual requirements as possible with the large number of different products that we sell worldwide.
Over the years, my success has been achieved not only through my own creative energy, but above all through the efforts of many employees. So I feel a strong obligation to do all I can to ensure the Lobbach site continues way into the future. Accordingly, I have transferred the company to a charitable foundation, the Manfred Sauer Foundation, which has set itself the goal of giving paraplegics impulses to actively shape their lives. In this way, we are giving something back to those who have made us successful. At the same time, the foundation regulates the succession of the company so that it may continue to develop at this location.
We will remain your reliable partner for medical devices for many years to come.